If you are wondering if we have split screen on Motorola Moto G87, then the answer is yes. This phone does indeed support split screen view. You can, for example, open two apps that you want to use in the split screen view. Let's say I'm going to use the Play Store and the Opera. Then you want to go to Background Apps or Recent and tap on the app icon that we have above the preview, and then you should be able to find the split screen. And then you can choose the second app that you want to use in the split screen view, and there we go, we can use both apps at the same time. And besides that, what you can also do is if you use the sidebar, then you can press and hold your finger on any of the app and that you have in the sidebar. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. After pressing and holding, you can drag it to the upper side or the lower side of the phone to open the app in the split screen view, and then you can choose the second app that you want to open in the split screen, just like that. And last but not least, there is also a gesture that allows you to open in the split screen view. So you can slide from left to right to left side with your finger, so it looks like this. Let me actually try again. There we go. And now we can choose the second app again. And here we go. Here we have the split screen view. Now, the gesture is actually disabled by default on this phone, so if you want to use it, you need to open Settings. And then over here, we want to go to Gestures. And here we have Swipe to Split, so we need to make sure that it is enabled. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.